Hello my friends, welcome to our books. Today I am reviewing this book. This is EduCart MCQ question bank for term 1 and the subjects are science, mathematics, English and social science. In the previous video I had reviewed the Oswald book, the Oswald book meant for the term 1. So now I am reviewing the EduCart book. Both are for term 1 class 10 201 to 22 session, and these books are completely based on MCQ. See, I have all the 4 books here. See, EduCart, okay, science, maths, English and at last social science. So let's review the science book only. I will only review the science book, and based on that you will be able to understand that what other books are. All the books are of same quality. So see, first thing, lots of colors in this book. See the first page, very attractive. I will tell, the covers are very attractive. That is not the main matter. The main matter is how is the book. See, here you will get something. Now the most important part is there. In here you will get, see, Edu mantra is there. Okay, some basic points. Okay, and if I am telling you, so you will start this chapter. See, chemical reactions and equations. Okay, so let's start from this chapter, chemistry. So first you will get topic notes. Topic notes means which parts are there in this chapter. There are 4 topics in this chapter, and then you will get, then you will get, see, topic 1 complete notes, revision notes, then topic 2 complete notes, and in this way you will get complete notes along with examples in this only. See, some examples are also given according to that topic to make you understand better. Okay, the same thing is there in other subjects also. Then you will get objective type questions. See, 1 mark. See, so many questions are there. See, so many questions are there. Then you will get assertion reason questions. Here also you will get many books. Many books are there. Many questions are there. Then you will get case based questions. Here also you will get many questions. See, competency based questions. Many questions are there. See, many questions are there. Many questions you will get. See, okay, so almost you have understood that this book, each chapter contains really 100 plus MCQs. It is 100 plus MCQs per chapter. This thing is right. This book contains many MCQs, many, and really 100 plus MCQs. It contains standalone, case based, assertion reason, mixed questions are there. Okay, perfect, with topic notes, syllabus, everything, with examples according to a topic also. Okay, same thing is there in maths also, same thing is there in English also, same thing is there in social science also. All the 4 subjects you will get the same thing, and I will tell you that it is somewhat similar to Oswald also. What Oswald is have, this book is also, but questions are not same. If I am telling you whether this book has copied Oswald or Oswald has copied EduCart, no. Both the books are different, questions are different. Maybe some questions are matching, but that does not mean that both the books are copied. Both are different but good for term 1. Now if you are asking that which book is good for term 1, see, it is very hard to say. If you want to know, means if you want, then if you can then buy both the books, Oswald and EduCart for term 1. Both are MCQ and were very good books. Okay, and if the PDF is available for these books, I will provide it in the description box. In the comment box also you will get a message that if the PDF is available, I will provide it. Thank you. Do subscribe our books.